Hello, and thank you so much for joining me here. I woke up to 8 degrees this morning and I was pretty hungry. So I decided that it's been a while since I made some French bread. And my French bread is a bit rustic, it's not very refined, but it's pretty delicious. So that's what I'm starting this vlog doing today. Praying your new year has been a delight so far. Mine has been with some unexpected changes in my life. But I'm hanging in there with God's grace and mercy. I know that He'll see me through, right? And in about 3 weeks or so, I'm expecting a new granddaughter. I am beyond excited, friends. Now let's get back to rustic French bread making. As in any form of bread, the longest part of this baking process is waiting for the dough to rise. To extend on its rustic charm, I often add a bit of cornmeal to the base of the bread. Ah, that crunch. Yes, indeed. Now let's make some nourishing red lentil soup. Celery and carrots from my summer garden. So now I take this time to say thank you to all of the new subscribers to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. Protein-packed star of the show, Red Lentils. Now I'm adding fresh grated ginger, ground coriander, and some cayenne pepper, and then I'll finish off with salt and black pepper and let this cook for about 30 minutes. In the next few days or so, one of my friends in my neck of the woods is celebrating a birthday. And so I asked her, I said, what would you like for your birthday this year? And her answers are always something quite simple. And she said, if you could make me some butter cookies, I would be so happy. So here I am making what is called Buckingham Palace shortbread. And it's been said that it was one of Queen Elizabeth's favorite treat at afternoon tea. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, I'll see you soon.